6 Tips to improve your social media content engagement. Any brand may be recognized by the effect it has on the audience. If you own a restaurant, for instance, your social media accounts will discuss different cuisines, recipes, nutrition advice, food reels, and other topics. Yet, it is crucial to realize that in order to capture the reader's attention with a creative subjectification of the main theme of your social media presence, you must produce stunning and distinctive material. How important is your content? The creation of a potent marketing strategy would be your main measure of success if you are new to the world of social media marketing. Yet no marketing plan is reinforced until its underlying structure is built on top-notch content creation. Your company may accomplish milestones in brand awareness, lead creation, enhanced engagement, and customer retention with a critically assessed and creatively developed content marketing strategy. All you want is a reliable social media automation platform and an easy-to-use content marketing checklist based on excellent social media practices. A 6-point checklist for better social media engagement. Social media has become a powerful tool for connecting with an audience and driving awareness of content, products, and services. With the ability to reach many people, it is important to ensure that your social media content production is top-notch. Know the voice of your brand. Every company has a distinct concept and voice that sets it apart from the competition. Whatever line of work you choose, your brand's mission must be distinctive in some way. As a result, include your brand's natural concept into your content creation. If you come across certain well-known businesses, you will perceive the distinctiveness of their produced content, whether it be a caption, tagline, video, or audio podcast. Hack. Always adjust your writing style to the social networking site you're utilizing. On Instagram, for instance, have fun and be humorous, but on LinkedIn, try to come out as professional as you can. Short and simple is the best. No one is browsing through a social media app, I assure you, expecting to read lengthy, tedious stuff. Keeping your social media articles succinct and straightforward is the finest strategy to spread your message to the public and attract appropriate attention. Don't go overboard by using challenging words and phrases. Instead, use an innovative strategy. Compose your agenda, explain what's on it to the audience, add a CTA, and you're done. Hack. Arrange your content in advance to take into account the constraints imposed by each social media network. You won't have to shorten the content at the last minute because of this. For instance, the caption for a LinkedIn advertisement should only be 20 to 25 words long to avoid the extended caption appearing inside the see more pattern. Talk like Gen Z. Our interpretation of the proverb is, when marketing to the youth-oriented audience, do as they like it. Since Gen Z has adopted the mindset of millennials, they have transformed social media platforms and internet usage in very diverse ways. Change your communication to reflect their preferred language, emoticons, activities, and interests. Be authentic. Take a cue, but don't copy the concepts. Create a unique and captivating online identity for your brand. On the internet, there are probably a lot of relatable and tried and true content pieces, but copying them is pointless. In order to make your material look as sharp and unique as possible, style it in accordance with your brand's specialization. Make your intent clear. Social media content creation shouldn't be irrational. The purpose for creating the content item must be obvious. Knowing the eventual result is therefore the best you can do. Place it before you, and then produce stuff in accordance with it. Make your call to action clear. It might be anything, such as a request for subscribers to your newsletter or a significant announcement about a brand new product or service you are releasing. Whatever your goal, prioritize creativity and engaging features in your content. Get a team of social media experts from an agency. Working with an agency is a great way to get help with your social media content engagement. An agency can provide you with a team of experts who specialize in creating effective content for use on social media platforms. They will have the necessary skills and resources to create engaging posts that are tailored specifically to your audience. By having someone else create the content, you can focus more on strategy and execution. Additionally, working with an agency ensures that all of the work is done in-house, so there is no need to outsource any part of it. This can save both time and money as well as reduce stress for those managing the project. Ultimately, having a team of professionals from an agency handle your social media content production gives you peace of mind knowing that all aspects are in good hands and being taken care of properly. Conclusion: maximize your content. To maximize your content production, it is important to use the right tools for the job. There are many tools and services available to help you post content quickly and efficiently. Utilize automation where appropriate, and use analytics to learn from your performance so that you can adjust as needed. Creating great social media content takes time and effort but is well worth the investment in terms of increased engagement with followers, better web presence, and higher profits over time.